It's the incredible V16 naturally aspirated engine from the Bugatti Tourbillon. Look how long it is. It's over a metre long. You've got over a metre long crankshaft in this crazy machine. Look at the intricate carbon fibre weave here on the intake plenum. And I want to show you this. This is the firing order, right, of the cylinders. 1. Where's number 2? 2. Where's number 3? 3. 4. Where is it? 4. 5. Where's 6? 6. 7, 8, 9, look, it just goes on forever. 10, 11, 12, 13, where's 14? 14, 15, 16, and that's it, 16 cylinders. What an insane piece of engineering.